How do you tell a good bread is without tasting it? Not the smell, not the look, but the sound of the crust. Listen.
Bread, in all its various forms, is considered to be the most widely consumed food in the world. The average consumption of bread in Asia alone stands at 20.6 kilograms in the year 2020. That's a huge number compared to any other food. May it be sourdough, baguette, challah, or babka, they all have the same process of letting the dough rise. The science behind this is a process called fermentation. During glycolysis, where glucose is consumed, ATP is produced and fermentation products is generated. Now for organisms, the crucial product would be the ATP, since as we know ATP are used in many biological processes such as DNA replication and DNA synthesis. But we are not here to discuss that. On the other hand, fermentation products are considered to be waste products and are usually discarded. But somehow for humans, these waste products became the foundation ingredient for baking, fermented beverages, and also the key ingredients in many other fermented foods, such as dairy products, vegetables and cheeses. For both baking and alcohol industries, Saccharomyces cerevisiae is the key ingredient. It belongs to a type of fermentation called the alcoholic fermentation, since Saccharomyces cerevisiae consist of byproduct of ethanol and carbon dioxide. In the baking industry, it is often known as the baker's yeast. What makes the yeast important in baking is that it is the ingredient responsible for the dough to rise. During the rising of dough, the yeast ferments, or in layman's term eats the sugar present in grain and excreting carbon dioxide, producing bubbles that resulted in lighter bread, which improves the flavor and texture of the bread.
À la perfection.